Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a beautiful landscape. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial we will explore composition skills, painting skills. For today's artistry trivia, which Indian artist is known for his breathtaking landscape paintings that beautifully capture the essence of nature, blending realism with emotion? His works often feature serene rural scenes and vibrant use of colors. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's start with drawing the mountains that are far away. Next, draw in the land and the river while checking the perspective. Next, draw in the tree as it is close to us, so it will appear bigger. After that, we will draw in the clouds in background. Let's pause for a sec and learn about the rule of third eye and how we have used it in this drawing. The rule of thirds divides an image into a 3x3 grid, with key elements placed along the lines or their intersections to create balance and visual interest. This technique helps guide the viewer's eye naturally, making compositions more dynamic and engaging. Now, if observe our sketch, you will realize that we have drawn the tree in the golden point, which visually guides our eyes from the tree to the sun behind the mountains. After learning that, let us paint the sketch. First, begin with painting the sky and the sun. Next, we will paint the tree in the foreground. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. After that, let us paint the snow-capped mountains. While painting the water, keep in mind the flow of the river and apply your strokes likewise. And while painting the trees, we have used short strokes. As for the river, we have used curvy and long strokes. Make sure to paint the shadows and the highlight as well. Next, paint the ground using a variation of different colors and blending them together. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a blissful landscape painting. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Amit Dani is an Indian artist celebrated for his stunning landscape paintings that blend vivid colors and intricate details. We have an interview of Amit Dani on our channel, don't forget to check it out. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.